Samsung has officially revealed the Geekbench scores of the Galaxy A57, and they're honestly turning heads. At first glance, the single core performance doesn't look like a massive leap. The Galaxy A56 scored around 1355, while the A57 lands near 1370. A small bump, nothing crazy. But here's where things get exciting: multi-core performance. The Galaxy A56 managed about 3806, while the Galaxy A57 jumps all the way to 4445. That's a huge upgrade, and it means faster multitasking, smoother gaming, and heavy apps running without slowing you down. Now add up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, and you're looking at a phone that stays smooth, fast, and lag-free even under pressure. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a serious performance leap for the A series. On the display side, Samsung is stepping things up big time. The Galaxy A57 features a 6.6-inch FHD AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling feel buttery smooth, gaming more responsive, and videos look stunning. According to trusted leaker Jason C., Samsung is switching things up by using BOE's flexible OLED panels instead of relying only on in-house displays. This change is smart. BOE's flexible OLED tech allows brighter screens, slimmer designs, curved edges, and thinner bezels, helping the Galaxy A57 look and feel closer to a flagship, without pushing the price too high. It also helps Samsung scale faster, reduce production risks, and stay competitive against Chinese brands that are already offering premium features at aggressive prices. And now for the biggest launch signal: Bluetooth certification is done. The Galaxy A57 5G has officially appeared on the Bluetooth SIG database, which is one of Samsung's final steps before launch. Multiple variants have been listed under the model number SMA576, including SMA56B-DS, SMA576B SC54G, SCG39, SMA576C, SMA576Q, and SMA576Z. This level of certification almost always means launch is just weeks away. All signs point to a global launch between late March and early April. And Samsung fans, this one is looking seriously exciting. If you're hyped for the Galaxy A57 5G, smash that like button, subscribe for the latest Samsung leaks and updates, and comment below. Is this the mid-range king of 2026, or is Samsung still holding back?